Welcome to class. In today's class, we are going to be solving this question on angles, and the question is to find the value of what? X. But before we get started, we need to understand how this figure has been drawn so we can know the exact theorem to apply. So now take a look at this. If I'm to put a point here, and you notice that I can draw a circle around all these angles, what does that tell you? It means angles at a point. The sum of angles at a point, which is what? 360 degrees. So if that be the case, it means I can easily add up all these angles and make them equal to what? 360 degrees. But let's look at this. Nothing is written here, but do you know indirectly the angle here is already known? Do you know that? Yes. Anytime you see this special arc like this, what it means is what? Angle 90 degrees. Okay, you don't need anybody to tell you that it's 90 degrees. Once you see that pattern of arc, it's 90 degrees. So if that be the case, all our angles are, all we have to do is to add up all the angles and make them equal to 360. All right, so let's get started. So that'll be 4x degrees plus 3x degrees plus 5x degrees plus 90 degrees. Everything equals what? Do not forget 360 degrees. I hope you are still following. Good. So that'll be 4x plus 3x plus 5x is what? Let's take it step by step. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. That is 12x degrees. And that is plus 90 degrees equals what? 360 degrees. I hope you are still following. Good. So let me pick my like terms. Let me take it further. And that'll be 360 degrees minus 90 degrees. And I have 12x degrees. 360 minus 90 is what? 270 degrees. So at this point, I know you can easily guess what we're going to do, right? So I'm going to divide both sides by 12. Divide both sides by 12. 12 here 1, 12 here 1, and x. So I'm going to be using 12 to divide directly, okay? So that won't waste much time. But just follow, it's very simple. So 12 here 1, 12 in 27. What number is the closest to 27 in 12 times table? That is 24. And how many times can that be? 2 times. Because 2 times 12 or 12 times 2 is what? 24. So take away 24 from 27. What do you have left? 3. So I'm going to put a 3 here. And the 3 will form a new number with the last digit 0. That is 30. So 12 in 30, the closest to 30 in 12 times table is what? 24 also. Is also what? 2 times. Okay, so 12 times 2 is 24. Take away 24 from 30. What do you have? 6. This is 6. 12 can go into 6. What am I going to do? I'm going to put a decimal point here since I'm done dividing all the old number digits. So I'm going to add 0 here. And then 12 in 60 is what? 5. And here I have 22.5 what? Degrees as the value of my what? X. I'm sure you've learned something in this class. And I can't wait to see you in my next class. And not then. Bye.